Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by collecting everything needed to act fast: your exact username, recovery email, the device you last used, and any error code shown. Once done, verify the network path, switch Wi-Fi off, and use cellular or a trusted network to isolate connection issues. Make sure VPN and proxy are disabled because they commonly trigger blocks. Having the timestamp and a screenshot ready speeds up recovery and lets you explain the sequence when you contact support or run diagnostics. You now run targeted checks to find the root cause. First, clear cache or use an incognito window to rule out client caching. If the block persists, test another browser or device. Next, inspect account security. Review recent password changes, active sessions, and two-factor devices. Revoke unfamiliar sessions. Then scan your machine for malware and confirm the system clock is accurate. Time drift often breaks secure tokens. If an automated system flagged you, these steps reveal misconfigurations or compromise. You finish by actively restoring access. Reset the password, re-enable two-factor authentication on a verified device, and update recovery contacts. If the block is IP-based, reboot the router to request a new IP lease or contact your ISP to release the address. Alternatively, use a trusted mobile hotspot briefly. Once you regain access, review device access and change credentials. If problems remain, contact support immediately. Provide the error code, screenshot, timestamps, and the steps you already took to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.